Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about how to download and install latest version Java in your Windows operating system. So let's start my video. Now here first we tell you how to download latest version Java setup file. So I am using here Chrome browser for downloading setup file. You can use any browser. In the Chrome search bar, type Java JDK download. After searching, several websites will be open. Now you can just click on the first website oracle.com. After clicking, we have come to the official website homepage. Now here you can see latest version Java 20 will be available. Scroll down this page and here you can see the three type of operating system available: Linux, Mac and Windows. Choose your operating system. By default, Linux operating system will be selected. You can choose your operating system. I am use Windows operating system, so here select Windows. After that, installer file will be available for downloading. You can download anything, but I will suggest you to download .exe file. So simply click on the second link, JDK20 Windows 64 win.exe. So simply click on this link. After clicking, our download will be started. We have already downloaded this, so cancel it and go to our download folder and see the installation process. So this is download file. Simply double click on it and done setup file. Accept all permissions. After running setup file, this interface will be open first. Now here simply click on the next button. Then select your path where you want to install Java JDK. By default, it is select C drive. If you want to change it, then click on the change button to change it. Otherwise, simply click on the next button. After that, your installation will be started. Wait few seconds for installation process completed. After completed, your installation will be completed. So wait few seconds. So you can see here our Java JDK 20 will be installed successfully. So simply click on the close button to close it. Now no need to here set class path because latest version Java JDK is already set the class path. So you can use Java JDK directly. If you want to use Java IDE like NetBeans, Eclipse, Java IntelliJ IDE, then how to download and install and how to run Java program in this IDE, we have already made this video. Link in the description. You can watch this video and install Java IDE in your PC. I hope you enjoy in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.